So this is like the polar opposite. So if you go to the Nasdaq here, can you see guys see the Nasdaq? Nasdaq's hitting high, is basically breaking away. But what does this tell? So the VIX on the green, if you see the green means high VIX, if the green shoots up, means everybody's selling off. Pop, 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 pop. Everybody, huge volume sell off, the VIX sell off. So when you see green, people are selling. But here, when you see the red, people are buying. So this is like the polar opposite. So if you see green, boom, it comes down in advance. If you see the start green indicator, it's going to start coming, ramping down. It's aggressively on the seller. If you see red, that means people are buying aggressive. So this, you're on the train, you're on the bus, you're at work, which flip. Whoa, this tells you a lot on a single chart. So CM William VIX Fix and CM Lagera PPO percentile, some smart dude out there has that. So I put 2 and 2 together by accident. I go, whoa, this is brilliant. So Alex, what do you see from here? So I see, the VIX is here. We are over here for the Nasdaq is low. The VIX is low. There's no cruise control. There's no reason to panic. There's no reason to panic sell. And now you can see all the buying, but the buying is starting to tail off. You see before when the buying goes aggressive, overbuying, and then it starts to tail off. And then we'll see coming to earnings, see what happens, whether it's going to spike up or it's going to go lower. Okay, you can see the buying activity tailing off, but the VIX is still keeping calm. That means people are pretty calm. On the semiconductor ETF, okay, you all own NVIDIA, AVGO, AMD. So, see the high VIX is not affected in comparison to NASDAQ because they've all been a sideways, like I said. But look at the huge volume of buying, way more than NASDAQ themselves. There's more semiconductor buy than NASDAQ themselves. Same for the S&P, very similar to the NASDAQ. Same, green spike, pop, 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 all that dip, okay? And then huge buying, okay? So if you want to see a high VIX, if you want to see a sell-off, I think we need to see a green indicator here. And I'm using a 1 day, not 4 hour, 1 day. 1 day is a fair more accurate than 4 hours. So something for you guys to think about if you want to use CM VIX. And so at the moment, this is quietly fairly low. It's starting to tail off. That means that's why I said do nothing. Anything can change. I'm not saying, take profit and run. No, I think don't do anything. Hang fire. So this is the chart to tell me, don't do anything. There's no green candles, and we don't see any tailing off to this empty zone here. So that's why I said hang fire. Don't go take profit and don't go nuts buying because there's no reason to buy and there's no reason to sell. This is what it tells me on this chart, and I hope it's useful for you guys. It takes a bit to get your head around. I'm on the train looking at it front and back, so it's taking my head. It's a bit of a mind boggle, but at least I don't have to flip between charts and bond yields and stuff like that. So this is useful. So this is my new go-to flavor